Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how to watch adult videos on YouTube. With the help of these settings, you can see adult videos on YouTube. Go to mobile screen and change the settings. Let's open up YouTube application. Tap on your profile in bottom right corner. Now tap on your YouTube setting in top right corner. Tap here now, click on first option which is journal. I click here on journal option. Now you have to scroll down and search an option of restricted mode. Here you can see there is restricted mode. If it is on, you have to simply turn it off. If it is on, it will restrict your adult videos. Now tap on third option which is family center. Tap here. Here you can see I have a kid profile. Tap here on kid profile. What they can watch. Tap on its first option. Here you can see I have created a kid profile for a 10-year-old child. Click on this content setting. Here you can see this profile is only for a 9 to 12-year-old child. You have to simply go back, tap on family center. Now tap on this delete YouTube kid profile option. Tap here. Now tap on this delete option. Here you can see your kid profile has been deleted. With the deleting this kid profile option, now you can watch adult videos on YouTube. Thanks.